They told you breath is just air. Science called it oxygen, biology called it respiration, but the ancient knew the truth. Breath is not air, it's your connection to God. You are not alive because your heart beats. You are alive because someone is breathing you. And when you become aware of that breath, you don't just feel better. You remember who you are. The breath is the bridge between your body and your soul, between the seen and the unseen, between you and the divine. Let me explain this like the yogis did. When you take a shallow breath, you live a shallow life. When you breathe with presence, you live with purpose. Most people are alive but unconscious, walking, working, talking, but not being. Why? Because they forget the breath. They are not in the rhythm with the source. They are not flowing the divine current. They are cut off from themselves and from God. But when you come back to the breath, everything changes. Your thoughts slow down, your nervous system heals, your energy expands, your mind gets quiet, and in that silence, you hear the voice of God, not with words, but through vibration, through stillness, through presence. That's what the breath gives you. It's not about how deep you can inhale, it's about how still you can become while doing it. Because in that stillness, you are no longer just a man breathing, you are being breathed. The Upanishads said the breath is the life of all beings. It is the self, and it's true. Your breath is the thread that ties this whole life together. When you were born, what did you do? You took a breath. When you die, what the last thing you do? You let it go. Everything in between, success, failure, heartbreak, wealth, lust, victory, pain, all of it floats on your breath. And yet, how often do we respect it? How often we pause and say, this breath is sacred? Rarely. We treat it like background noise, but it's not noise. It's the voice of God whispering into your body every moment. You are alive. You are divine. You are here now. You don't need a temple to meet God. Just inhale with awareness and hold it like you are holding God Himself. Exhale like you are surrendering your ego. That worship, that union. You want to feel more connected to your purpose. Breathe. You want to master your lust, your anger, your fear. Just breathe. You want to heal your body without medicine. Just breathe. Because breath is the prana, life force. It's not the physical air, it's spiritual energy. When you breathe in consciously, you invite divine intelligence into your system. You clean your aura, you command, your mind expand, your soul expand. That's why ancient warriors says monks, yogis and all prioritize breathwork. They weren't just meditating, they were entering God mode through the breath. The breath is how you open your chakras. It's how you calm your demons. It's how you control your urges. Don't believe me? Try holding your breath when you are angry. You will notice your anger gets louder. But if you breathe deep with awareness, the anger dissolves, the lust weakens, the fear fades. Because God flows in the breath, not in the chaos. You were never supposed to fight your demon with logic. You were supposed to dissolve them with breath. That's what I have learned on this path through retention, through silence, through deep inner work. It always come back to the breath. Even in your highest moment, that bliss you feel isn't from outside. It because for a second your breath aligned with your soul. That's what the sage called samadhi, union. Not with the world, not with the woman, but with the divine inside you. and it's always available right now with one breath. Inhale slowly, feel it, hold it. That's not just oxygen, that's God entering your temple. Now exhale, that's you surrendering control. Every breath is a reminder you are not just a man, you are a spark of divine, breathing in and out of a human experience. And the more conscious your breath becomes, the more powerful, magnetic, peaceful, and unstoppable you become. So don't wait. Start today. Close your eyes. Take 10 sacred breaths and do it every day before you touch your phone, before you start your day, before you seek anything external. Because once you master the breath, you no longer need motivation. You don't need validation. You are no longer chasing life. You are life, and God walks with you in every breath you take. Remember, breath is not air, it's the language of God, the pulse of your soul, and the key to unlocking everything you are searching for. So use it, honor it, and let it guide you back home. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe my channel.